Peacocks are such unusual and fascinating birds, which is why I chose them for this watercolor painting. There's something truly majestic about their feathers that I wanted to capture on paper. To preserve the bright highlights, I began by applying masking fluid. This allowed me to paint the background freely while protecting the white of the paper. Removing the dried film is always one of the most satisfying moments in watercolor. And now, let the painting speak for itself. Relax and immerse yourself in the beautiful piece, Willow Tree by Daniel Pratt.
Jesus, could you show me your fire and your smoke? Or maybe like Moses, you could give a magic cloak. Just something to know you're there. What am I supposed to do when days turn into weeks and seasons of waiting, and I don't hear you speak like we did when we were becoming friends? Is it you? Or is it me? Did you get hurt when I doubted you last week? Maybe I'm numb, but I still believe. Even though wandering, 'cause we got roots like a willow tree. The hard times that you stuck with me, so remember me. It's funny, when I was empty, there was no cost at all. But now that you've blessed me, I'm not as quick to hear your call. I guess you always knew this. That's why you're slow to give. I'm trusting you remember from your days of walking earth what it feels to have a spirit and a flesh that makes you work. Can you still make a Peter out of someone like me? times 8.